Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about ocean currents. I'm Maggie.
I'm Emma.
So we'll start with our demo.
Okay, so this demo is gonna show you about convection and how ocean currents are powered. So we're first gonna pour some room temperature water on one side of this container. And then on the other side, this is colder water. And it's like denser, and it's also dyed blue so that you can see the difference. So then when we move up the divider between them, you're going to see that they don't mix. The colder water sinks underneath the warmer water. And so this demonstrates convection. So you can see that the colder waters are going to sink and the warmer waters are going to rise over it, and that creates like a loop of currents.
Okay. So,
So that's how deep ocean currents work, and then surface currents are different. They're not driven by the temperature and density of the water, they're driven by the wind. So it's just pretty much when wind blows across the surface of the water, it will create a surface current.
So another thing that's really important to ocean currents is the Coriolis effect. That is basically caused by the rotation of Earth, which creates different directions of currents. In the northern hemisphere, the currents will go clockwise, and in the southern hemisphere, they'll be counterclockwise because of Earth's rotation. And as you can see in the map here, you can see that effect.
And so the reason that the warmer currents, you can see they originate more towards the equator because that gets the most direct sunlight, so that's where all the warmer waters are. And those currents are going to move outwards from the equator, and the colder currents originate up towards the poles, which get less direct sunlight. And then this is a map of the Gulf Stream, which is what affects us on the East Coast. It's a surface current, so driven by the winds that blow from west to east, brings warmer water up from the equator, and then up like near our coast, and then over Europe.
One reason ocean currents are really important to our weather is because they carry air masses like a conveyor belt. So if you have a current like the Gulf Stream, it might bring the air masses you see here up to us, and as you can see, some important ones to our area are maritime, tropical, maritime polar, continental polar, and continental tropical.
And that's all we have. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.